Hi, my name is Paige Hunter. I'm a right-handed clinician, and today I will be teaching you and Paul here how to floss his teeth. So what you want to do is you want to take your floss here, which I already took out a piece, and you want to take about 12 to 18 inches of floss, which is about an arm's length, roughly about an arm's length. And then you want to take your floss and you want to wrap it around your middle fingers. And you want at least about half an inch of working space for your floss. Now, Paul, you want to have a dirty end and you want to have a clean end when you have your floss, which means that once you are flossing, you will dispose of this area and you will wrap the dirty area into the dirty side, which I have not worked yet, so I will be using this area. So when you are flossing at home, you want to take your index fingers and you just want to guide this floss in between your teeth, which is your interproximal area. So in between here, you want to have your floss at a diagonal. You want to insert it into that tooth space, and you just want to do a gentle sawing motion back and forth in a C shape in between those teeth about 3 to 4 times, and then you want to move to the other side and make sure you get under that papilla, which is your gum line, just to make sure you get all the debris and all the biofilm. So now we are going to get rid of our dirty piece, Paul, and we are going to floss a different area. So again, you want to insert that floss into that interdental space, which is in between your teeth, and you want to work at a diagonal, keeping it taut, pressing firmly about 3 to 4 times on each side. So that was 3 on that side. And 3 more. So you want to dispose of that area, and you want to keep moving on, guiding your floss with your 2 fingers. So again, insert 3 to 4 times, generally in a sawing motion in a C shape. Let me make sure I have the right working space here. Going to work on the other side of that tooth. Make sure you get into that under the gum area, just to make sure you get all of the dirty pieces. Now this piece is now dirty, so I'm going to wrap it, and I'm going to work on the mandibular, which is your jawline, Paul. So you want to take your floss, again in a diagonal. You want to insert it between your 2 teeth with your index fingers. And in a gentle sawing motion, you want to take your floss in a C shape around that tooth 3 to 4 times. And again on this side. So 1, 2, 3. And you want to make sure you have a little bit of pressure on there to get that plaque out of there. So now that we have our dirty piece, again, we're going to change it like this. Have about that half an inch of working space, and we are going to guide it with our index fingers. So we're going to work back here into that area here. Gentle sawing motion at a diagonal, 3 to 4 times per each side. So we did that side, and now we're going to do this side. Make sure you get under the contact area and that papilla, which is the space between your teeth, a little bit under your gum line. Now this piece is dirty, so we want to, again, get our clean area. And I'm going to do it right here. Get my area situated. Make sure we get it under that contact area. At a diagonal using our index fingers to push down. Okay, and now we're going to do it on the other side. 3, and we want to take that out of the contact area. Now, when we are finished with our piece of floss, it is a dirty piece of floss, and it will have chunks of food, maybe some biofilm, and we want to take it and you want to dispose of that piece of floss. And that is how you should be flossing your teeth at home, Paul, and everyone at home. So you want to make sure when you are flossing your teeth at home, you want to do it once every nighttime. You don't have to do it in the morning, just once daily, typically at nighttime. So that is how you floss.